Hello everybody, welcome to my Python for Beginners course. In this video we're going to talk about unique arithmetic operators. So in this video we're going to cover the modulo operator, the power or exponential operator, the floor division operator, and these three are the unique operators in Python. Then I'm going to show you some code examples, and at the end a code puzzle that you can do at home. So let's start with the modulo operator. The modulo operator is denoted by the percent sign. And it's kind of similar to the division operator, but with one major difference. Say we have 25 divided by 7. 25 divided by 7 equals 3, and what remains is 4, so the rest is 4. What this means is that 7 fits in 25 3 times, and what remains is 4. So when we have 25 modulo 7, that equals the rest, and in this case that equals 4. Another example, 15 divided by 5 equals 3, and 15 modulo 5, that equals 0. The exponential operator or the power operator is exactly what it says it is. It raises one number to the power of another number, and this operator is denoted by two star signs. So say we have 2 to the power of 3. Now that's the same as 2 times 2 times 2, and that equals 8. Another example, 5 to the power of 2. Now that's the same as 5 times 5, and that equals 25. The last operator we're going to talk about is the floor division operator, and this operator is denoted by two slashes. And like the modulo operator, this operator is almost the same as the division operator. And I'm going to show you the difference with some examples. Say we have 17 divided by 5. 17 divided by 5 equals 3.4. Now 17 floor division 5 equals 3. So what floor division does is it divides the two numbers and then it rounds it down. Another example, 19 divided by 4 equals 4.75. So 19 floor division 4 equals 4. An important thing to note is that floor division doesn't round the number, it always rounds it down. So even if you have 4.75, which is closer to 5, it will still round it to 4. Now I will show you some examples of how you can implement these operators in Python. Let's create a variable x and let's set this equal to 11. And now I will create a variable y and set this equal to 3. And we'll say that z equals x modulo y. Let's print the value of z. And before I run this code, let's think about what the value of z should be. Now we do 11 modulo 3. So the output should be 2, because the highest number that fits into 11, that's 9. And what remains is 2. And let's see if that works. And you see it prints out 2. A common use case of the modulo operator is to determine if a number is an even or an odd number. So let's create a simple program that takes an input and outputs if a number is an even number or an odd number. Let's say input number, and let's set that equal to input a number, and let's convert this number to an integer. Now to determine if this number is an even number or an odd number, we need to take the modulo of 2, and if that equals 0, then it's an even number, and if it equals to 1, then it's an odd number. So let's say we have z, and z equals input number modulo 2. So if this equals 0, that means that it is divisible by 2, so there's no rest. And then it's an even number, and if it is not divisible by 2, then it will equal 0, and that means then it's an odd number. And now let's print the value of z. So we can enter a number, for example 19, so we should get 1. and we get 1, so 19 is an odd number. But when we enter 60, for example, we get 0, because 60 is an even number. Now we can use this input number to square it, for example. So we can say z equals input number to the power of 2. And we can run this program. 6 to the power of 2 should be 36. Let's do another example. 12 to the power of 2 should be 144. That works too. And we can change this number to 3, for example. 2 to the power of 3, that should equal 8. So that works. Now lastly, let's try floor division. Input number divided by, let's say, 6 or 5. So 15 divided by 5 should equal 3. And what happens if we do 16, for example? We still get 3 because the output gets rounded down. And we can compare this. We can create another variable y and set it equal to input number divided by 5. And now we can print y and z. 16. And now you see the difference. This is when you just divide it, you get 3.2. But when you use floor division, you get 3. Let's do another example. 23. You see that floor division of normal division gives you 4.6, and floor division gives you 4. So it doesn't round it up, it always rounds it down, and that's why it's called floor division. Now I have a simple puzzle that you can do at home to test your coding skills and a little bit of your mathematical skills. So this is the puzzle. Write a program that takes an input and calculates the modulus, and modulus means the output of a modulo operator. So it calculates the modulus of that input without using the modulo operator. Try to use the unique operators that you learned today to solve this problem without using the modulo operator. Good luck with the puzzle. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. And I will hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!